Wait, is the camera on?
Yes.
Scene 1, take 1, episode 1.
Hayden
What? Hi, my name's Hayden, and I don't want to say this, but the star of the show. Anyways, this is a show about me and my Uncle Clay, when I just kind of get to use anything we have and anything that I kind of want to use. It's kind of free. The whole kitchen is kind of mine, and I just kind of get to experiment with foods. So today on episode 1, we're gonna make my amazing cookie crumble. And then my Uncle Clay, is going to taste test it. Okay guys, now we're in my kitchen, and for this cookie crumble recipe, we're going to be using Oreos first. You probably know what these are. Then we're gonna use our Chips Ahoy Chip Thins Organics. Then we're gonna use our graham crackers, and then our Cool Whip. But for this recipe, we're gonna need a knife. So if you wanna make it, make sure to ask your parents first. We're gonna take maybe 2 Oreos, and we're gonna open them up. And we're gonna take our bowl here, and we're going to take the knife and make sure you don't cut your fingers. We're gonna carefully shed off that icing into the bowl. And an even better way is crumbling it with your fingers. Just kind of crumble it in your hands. If you're not afraid of getting messy, just kind of go roll it a little bit. It's a little easier because it might take a little longer if you use the knife or the spoon. Let's get our second Oreo cookie. I'm just gonna do the crumbling antique. Kind of crumble. Okay, and for our last Oreo. Here we go. And we're just gonna kind of take those, and we are going to take our cutting board very carefully, get our knife, and just scrape those into the bowl. Get as many little tiny crumbs as you can. And now we are going to maybe stir that up a little bit, just a little bit. And then we're gonna take our Chips Ahoy Chip Thins. And we are just going to take them, probably get 2. Get the second one out. Okay, here we go. These are good ones. Okay, now we're gonna take these. Now these are Chips Ahoy Organic Chip Thins. They're like really tiny, really thin chocolate chip cookies from Chips Ahoy. So we're gonna crumble these because it's much better anyways. If you see any really big chunks, you can go back in there, get them, and crumble them up with your fingers a little more, so you don't have really big chunks of things of the cookie in your recipe. Because, like I said, the smaller the better. So, like this, we're gonna crumble it up, about like that. Then we're gonna take this other one, this big piece. There we go. That's about a good amount. And we're just gonna take this and we're gonna go, we might wanna take the spoon to the other side so it doesn't get a bunch of crumbs on it. Just kind of scoot it in. Scoot it in. There we go. That's good. Then we might want to stir it up a little more. Looking pretty good, huh? You might want to kind of chop up that Oreo icing. Okay, now let's get maybe 2 graham crackers. Yeah, let's do 2. So just carefully take them out. Okay. Ooh, these are cinnamon graham crackers. So, why don't we just... The graham crackers are probably the part that you want the crumbliest. Even though that's not a word. Just gonna be really crumbly. Get off big chunks at a time and just kind of crumble, 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 crumble. Even though getting messy is stressful, cleaning yourself up, maybe it's also fun getting messy. So, I mean, it's worth the risk having fun and then just washing your hands after, right? I mean, you get to have the fun part longer than you'll even take cleaning up. So now that I've got my graham crackers crumbled, we're just gonna do the same thing that we did with the 2 other kinds of cookies and just kind of scrape them in. Then to kind of take it down, just scrape it all off like that. And then we're gonna do the last little bit of graham crackers. Okay, now that we've got our graham crackers in, we're probably just gonna stir it up to where it looks maybe like that. But we're not done yet, folks. Here, our last ingredient is our Cool Whip. We're gonna open it up, and we're gonna take the spoon, get a big spoonful, just dip it in there. Take another spoonful. Dip it in there. You're gonna wanna get a lot of Cool Whip. Let's start with that, okay? And we'll take this. So now we're stirring up the crumbles into the Cool Whip to make sort of a creamy, like Cool Whip with these crumbs in it. All right, now I'm gonna pop this in the freezer because we're done stirring, and then we'll have Uncle Clay taste it. Yay!
Uncle Clay here, ready to try another one of Hayden's creations. Wonder what she has for me this week.
Uncle Clay!
Oh, here she is.
I got you some cookie crumble.
Some cookie crumble,
try.
huh? And you've been eating it, I see,
Yes, I have.
before I got in here.
Because it's very good.
Okay, I must not be scared of this one then, huh?
Nope.
If you like it, I must like it, right?
Yep.
Okay, did you use this spoon?
Yes.
You did, huh? Okay.
But Harrison used it too.
Oh, he did, huh? All right, let's get a full bite here. Make sure I got all the, looks like I got all the ingredients.
Wait, you need some Oreo.
Oh, okay. Is that better? I've got all the ingredients in this one bite? Okay. Here we go, Hayden the Cooking Kid with cookie crumble. Ready? This is good.
I'm gonna go get me a spoon.
Okay. This is very good.
And me.
It's cookie-y. It's crumbly.
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, here we go. Big bite.
All right, well, tell your audience bye.
Bye. Bye.
See you next week on Hayden the Cooking.
Kid!